Hi guys, welcome back to episode 22 of the earning season of the Good Decent Poison Shit series. And we will be analyzing a couple of more companies today in this video. I hope you watched the first video that I did for today. And anyways, in this part of the video, we'll do Circa, Sirma SGS Technologies, and Ion Exchange that is there. We will do these few companies that are there, three companies. Also kindly ignore if I look. I know we always keep talking about this company shit, but if I look like shit today, kindly ignore it because I've been having like a rough day since morning. I got up early in the morning at like around 6:30. I've read 40 companies today, out of 40 I read the con call of um, a con call of I think around 12 companies. I've read con call. I've attended one con call live. Totally 40 companies I've read, and then I have making a videos of three companies. I also went to the gym, cooked my own meals. So this is like I usually do videos by the end of the day. Like I read everything, I go to the gym, and just the end of the day I make videos. And now, like since morning I've been doing this since like morning 6:30, and now it's 6:30 in the evening, and I'm just like really flushed. I'm just like I'm at that point where my head is hurting like shit, and like I just want to crash. I'm just gonna do this two videos, 2 3 videos more, and I'm just gonna crash. I literally have no energy. Although I do have to catch up with the results that of today that is there. I'll just show you something. Yeah, there are I think another like 25 to 30 companies that I have to do, which is for today. But I think I'll do it tomorrow morning. Like I just can't, like I can't even think straight. That's how it is. But anyways, let's just start today's video. And the first video that we'll be, I mean, it's not the first video, sorry. The first company that we'll be doing today is Circa Paints. And if you look at Circa Paints, what do? They actually are a company similar to your Asian Berger Paints, Kansai Nerolac. But the main difference comes here is geography. Like when you talk about Asian Paints and Berger Paints, they started from the north of India and they started venturing into south of India. If you look at Indigo Paints started from the south of India and they started venturing to north of India. Circa Paints is still a very small player. They are still operating. The majority of the revenue comes from that Delhi NCR area. There's still that chotu player, who has that thoda sa geographical concentration आप बोल सकते हो. Okay, so that's one point. The second point is in terms of mix. As you know, right, there are like when you talk about in the paints, there are two kinds of paints. Either you sell the outside paints or the inside paints, as you know, right? मतलब outside paints मतलब आप बोल सकते हो कि like the kind of paints that it's not outside paints, inside paints. I'm sorry, I'm actually forgetting the word. There is a there is a word for it, but unfortunately my brain is just not working right now. I can't believe I'm forgetting the word because I've been tracking the paints industry for so long. But basically there are two kinds of paints. One paint is which you use for outside, right? Like aapka, not just outside the walls, outside your houses, but also, oh yeah, decorative paints. The word is decorative paints. Yeah, so there are two kinds of paints. One is decorative paints, the kind of paints that you use inside your house on your walls, right? That is called as decorative paints. Aapka aata hai na wo with that textured and all you have these days with Asian paints. And the other side you have is jo aapka machines pe dalte ho, cars mein dalte ho, and everything. So these are the two kinds of paint you have. And most of the paint companies, if you see, just because of this mix na unka thoda sa either margins better hota hai. Now why? Because decorative paints that are there are of high margins compared to your normal paints, aapka jo outside paints jo aap use karte ho. Okay, so Circa ka one of the advantages is that decorative part of their portion is really higher. In fact, agar aap uska mix bhi dekhte ho, retail portion is 70% and 30% comes from your OEM side. Okay, so these are the this is more or less the business model. Now if you look at over here, you will see that Circa jo hai, it is a decent 20-25% kind of growth ka company. But here is the thing, last in the last year, what they have done is they have acquired a company called as Wembley. Okay, so ये एक paint का company है, Wembley का company, they have acquired it. Now because of this acquisition क्या हुआ है, उनका sales जो है, sales grew by 45%. Okay, maybe if it weren't for the acquisition, ये शायद ये 40-45% का probably this growth wouldn't have come. Okay, PAT is also up by 40%. But overall, when you look at it, when you compare this paint company Circa Paints with the other companies that are there, whether it is Asian Paints, Berger Paints and all, obviously there is like zameen asman ka fark hai yahan pe, right? Because Asian Paints का sales is zero. I think Berger Paints also will do a similar low digit single growth. शायद वहाँ पे Indigo Paints थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं compared to Berger and Asian Paints, right? वो है, but I don't think they will obviously do even 20-25 या for 40 तो छोड़ ही दो, 20-25 भी करना for Indigo Paints will be मुश्किल. So with respect to that, if you see, yes, Sirca Paints does lead the race by a huge margin, आप बोल सकते हो, okay? And और एक चीज़ है, right now उनका अभी थोड़ा सा little bit capex plans are there. ये capex plans क्या है मतलब? Like I told you, right, they have acquired this brand called as Wembley. Now Wembley ka there are three different plants that are there. Now they want to consolidate all three different plants into one plant only. ठीक है, वही वो plan कर रहा है. So that is the upcoming capex that they have in mind. Okay. So अगर आप इसका मैं थोड़ा सा अगर मैं valuation का इस हिसाब से बात करूँ, I think they can do roughly around उसने 14 crores किया, roughly maybe 56 to 60 crores in terms of PAT they can do. I'm being very conservative over here. Market cap is 2418 करोड़. उसमें अगर आपने हमने 60 करोड़ का लिया, 40% 40 का पी आ रहा है, 40 to 45 का पी आप पकड़ के ले लो रेंज, in that range. But here is the thing, will you be willing to pay for a 20-25% का growth rate for that 40 to 45 p? Because again, like I told you, it's not a 40% का growth engine, right? मतलब I mean, if it weren't for this, शायद this acquisition ये शायद ये 45% का growth नहीं कर पाता. So it is roughly that 22 to 25% that kind of growth engine. For that, would you pay 40 to 45 p? That is a again for some people this might be a value deal. For some people it might be like अरे इसको 2 times में क्यों दूँ, like it's not a value deal. So again, it's a very subjective case. But overall अगर मैं बात करती हूँ, yes, if there is one paint company that is worth looking for, that is Sirca Paints. I mean क्या ही बोलूँ, right? Like literally. So anyways, then we have Sirma SGS Technology. Sirma SGS Technology. Now, as you know, Sirma जो है, they make this electronic components. They are mostly an OEM and ODM का काम करता है. Now, अगर आपने Sirma का journey देखा, there was a time where they were doing really well. But last year क्या हुआ था उनका? Although the top line was there, bottom line was suffering. Margins were suffering. Why? Because last year क्या हुआ था उनका? Again, there are different industries that they cater to. Consumer division, IT division, consumer division, IT division अगर आप देखते हो, फिर आपका medical division, different sector that they cater to. Now last time क्या हुआ था, almost I think last half of last year and the year before that, 50% of the order book जो है, 50% of the revenues जो है, it came from this consumer division. Now consumer division में क्या है, आपका volumes तो ज़्यादा होता है, but since it is a low value product, आपका margins take a huge hit over here. Okay, so इनका जो record margins था, sometimes they've had margins even of 15%, in that kind of range. वहाँ से 11-12% से उनका margins literally गिर गया 5% तक, because consumer division से maximum revenue was coming, literally half of the revenue was coming from consumer division. Then they realized कि like भाई, I know I'm getting the sales, I know I'm getting the volumes, but I don't want to run behind volumes इतना कि like मैंने पूरा margins ही sacrifice कर दिया. Then क्या हुआ, in the H2 of the last year, that is H2 of FY25, they started reducing that portion of that consumer division, and they got it down to 32%. और उन्होंने वो भी बोला कि like earlier 50% था, this year by end of FY25 it will be 34%. FY26 के end में we will probably do somewhere between 28 to 30% का consumer division, and they had guided for one thing कि like by the end of the year we will do somewhere at 30 to 35% kind of sales growth, and the margins, EBITDA margins जो है, it will be 8%. Why? Because the consumer division, the consumer part of the book that is there, वो कम होता ही जाएगा, right? And going forward we will cap it at that 30% का growth. Now comes आपका Q1 का, अगर आप देखते हो Q1 FY26 का रिजल्ट अगर आप देखते हो, sales is quite a bit shocker actually, because आपने गाइडेंस दिया 30-35% का सेल्स ग्रोथ का, और अभी आपने आपका अगर आप सेल्स ग्रोथ देखते हो Q1 over Q1, sales degrew by 19%, that is there. Okay, now ये क्यों हुआ? Now when you look at the other numbers that are there, like when you talk about the EBITDA margins, what did they guide for? 7 to 8%, somewhere in that range. If you look at the EBITDA margin has moved from last Q1 it was 5.2, from 5.2 to 10. Okay. Oh shoot, guys, I forgot. Like I have my fan turned on. I hope there's no disturbance because of the fan. I didn't realize to turn it off. But anyways, right? what was you talking about? Yeah, it was talking about margins. So why did that margins go up? But having said that, the sales that is there, the sales fell. The sales literally fell by like 20 percentage odd. Why did that happen? Is because क्योंकि उन्होंने, like I told you, यहाँ पे पूरा का पूरा order book का खेल है, which sector you're catering to. What did they tell? मैं consumer division को छोटा कर रहा हूँ, right? 30% में ला रहा हूँ. Now they have done that, which means what? आपका जो volume growth है, that has become less, but margin has become more. Because when you cater to this medical segment and the other segments that are there, volume growth is high, sorry, volume growth is less, but margins are high. इसलिए उनका sales जो है वो गिरा. And management ने यही frankly बोला कि like उन्होंने con call में बोला कि like there are no free lunches in the world at the end of the day. That is quote unquote the quote they use. There are no free lunches in the world. If I need volume, I will have to sacrifice on margins. अगर मुझे margins चाहिए, I'll have to sacrifice in the volume. There is no other way around it, right? And for me, where I am at right now, भाई मुझे margins चाहिए. I do not want the volume growth. Okay, so here is the thing. Even right now, even in spite of all this that is there, उनका order book that is there, it is around 5,400 crore as we speak right now. They are very confident कि like although that Q1 has been a bit dull for them, right? Like although volume growth है, volume growth उन्होंने किया and everything, but उनका they're very confident कि like 30 to 30% तो minimum कर ही लेगा by the year end. Annualized में अगर पे देखूँ FY25 versus FY26, they should do it because considering the order book they have, the discussions that they're having with the clients. But for me अभी यही है ना, like as a shareholder, I would need both. I would need volume growth, value growth, margins, because as shareholders we are opportunistic, right? We are opportunistic. हमें सब कुछ चाहिए. And if for a shareholder, when everything goes in sync, right? आपका sales, operating leverage, EBITDA margins, PAT margins, product mix change, volume growth, value growth, demand, capex, जब सब चीज ना चंगा चल रहा है ना, everything goes in sync, that's when you make money. When the shareholder has to sacrifice one out of the other thing, like for example sales growth है, but इतना आपने capex किया कि like bottom line नहीं है, वहाँ पे stock अटक जाएगा. आपने सेल्स ग्रोथ नहीं है, देन यू इवेंचुअली नॉट मेक मनी. सेल्स ग्रोथ है, आगे जाके सेल्स ग्रोथ करना है, उसके लिए आपको पैसा उठाने क्यूआईपी करना है, क्यूआईपी भी करना है, बट क्यूआईपी करोगे तो आरओए घट जाएगा, आरओए घट जाएगा तो शेयर होल्ड. सो दैट इज द थिंग. इट्स लाइक अ कैच 22 सिचुएशन ओवर हियर. बट फॉर मी पर्सनली थिंकिंग विद द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आर हैपनिंग ओवर हियर, आई थिंक देयर आर मच बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज कंपेयर टू सिरमा एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम. मतलब कभी वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ है, कभी मार्जिन नहीं है, कभी मार्जिन है, कभी वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ नहीं है. एक और चीज है इज द एक्सपोर्ट ऑर्डर बुक दैट दे हैव, राइट? This year the guidance is जो भी revenue है उससे 20% of the revenue should come from export, which they have done as of Q1. ठीक है, but here about it I would say again my bias is that कि like जितना मैं हो सकती हूँ I do not get involved in this export and everything. This is my big bias, I'll tell you this, and I'll be very honest. If I have to choose between domestic and export, I will any day choose domestic. जितना भी बोलो भाई, मतलब हम भारत में है, you will get to know कि like क्या हो रहा है, कहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. You at least understand the how do I tell, the intensity of the situations. एक्सपोर्ट में एक वॉर चल जाते हैं, वन फ्रीट इज नॉट अवेलेबल, कंटेनर इज नॉट अवेलेबल, एवरीथिंग इज चॉपी. एंड यू सीन राइट नाउ एक्सपोर्ट का सिचुएशन क्या हो रहा है, दैट जस्ट दैट 25% का ट्रम्प का जो टैरिफ का वॉर चल रहा है, मतलब इट इज हॉरिबल, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली हॉरिबल. जस्ट like I told you, right, company can, all the management, they can have all the intent to to achieve whatever they have guided you for, whatever they have promised, but एक किसी ने आके वहाँ पे एक लॉ को चेंज किया, एक टैरिफ को डाला, entire thing goes for a toss, like that is a thing. So that is a thing. Although I would consider it neither, I mean it's not, I mean for me Sirma, if I have to talk about it, it's neither, it's somewhere between decent and poison. It's not poison because like I told you, right, ये जो है, I mean again whatever they promise they are doing, and they're very confident कि like by the end of the year they will do 30% on an annualized basis in terms of sales growth. But also at the same time when you look at Q1 numbers, it's very disappointing, right? So ये भी देखना है. So overall I would neither consider it as decent nor poison. वो बीच का खेल है with terms of Sirma. Then we have Ion Exchange, the last company that we will do. So Ion Exchange क्या करते हैं, आपका water treatments जो है in terms of that they cater for that. Now इसका भी 3 divisions है. One is the engineering segment, the other one is where they sell all this chemical and the specialty chemicals, and the third is a consumer segment. Engineering division में क्या है, this big government projects that are there ना, they take care of that. Okay, so this contributes 60% to the top line. Now यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, पूरा का पूरा order book ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. There is literally no order book for this year. What more do you want? I mean that is it. That is where your analysis should end. And जो ऑलरेडी उनका जो प्रोजेक्ट था वहां पे तो रुकावट पे रुकावट रुकावट पे रुकावट हो रहा है. सो एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट में रुकावट, एंड आइदर द रुकावट हो रहा है, दे कांट मूव फॉरवर्ड, और वरना जो भी उन्होंने काम किया है ना उसका पेमेंट नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज वन प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है. ऑर्डर बुक तो नहीं है एग्जिस्टिंग काम के लिए. केमिकल में क्या हुआ है, इन द केमिकल सेगमेंट दैट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स 30% टू देयर रेवेन्यू. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, अगेन दीज पीपल आर माइग्रेटिंग इनटू दैट एसएपी काइंड ऑफ, यू नो, दे हैड चेंज द प्लेटफॉर्म इंटरनल कंपनीज का थिंग्स के लिए. उसके वजह से पूरा का पूरा इस बार फ्लैट था. सेल्स डिग्रू in this chemical segment. Another thing what is happening is, in this chemical segment majority of this order book and everything comes from export. Again the same thing, Trump का 25% का tariff का war, they are unable to navigate. Management खुद बोल रहे कि like भाई मुझे नहीं मालूम, you know, how this will impact us, we do not know what to do. Because यहाँ पे क्या है, the kind of chemicals that they make and they export, right, there are two companies in Europe which are their biggest competitors, okay, who are also doing the same work. Now Europe का tax कितना हुआ, 15%, India का 25%. Obviously क्या होगा, people would prefer that only. So again here, now I understand this quarter it has been, you know, chemical का segment degrew because of that SAP का implementation and everything. But considering this tariff का wars and everything, that becomes another uncertainty in the chemical का division. Consumer का division hardly contributes 10%. वो 50% से भी grow करे, 100% से भी grow करे, वो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. Because of two divisions, especially the first division, which is the engineering division that is there, that did not, you know, that did not grow, right? That also degrew. In fact, you know, engineering division degrew by, you know, 7%, right? And there is literally, I'm telling you, वहाँ पे, you know, there is no update. Like मतलब, when I tell no order book, you know, there is no new orders that they have gained or anything, you know, in it's sort of Q1. As of right now, you know, total order book उनका है, it is hardly कितना है, 2,664. Total order book kitna hai? I can't see, guys. But anyway, somewhere around that, two 20, yeah, 26,640 million ka hai total order book. But having said that, you know, अगेन द मैनेजमेंट, द एंटायर कॉन कॉल वॉज वेरी डल, वेरी लल. वही बार बार बोल रहे कि लाइक, यू नो, हमारा पेमेंट नहीं आ रहा, हमारा प्रोजेक्ट रुक गया है, एंड यू नो आगे जाके, यू नो, वी आर, यू नो, द ऑर्डर्स दैट वी वांट, ऑल द ऑर्डर बुक इज गेटिंग डिलेड. यही बोल रहा है. आई वुड कंसिडर आयन एक्सचेंज एज अ कंप्लीट पॉइजन कंपनी, एब्सोल्यूट पॉइजन, राइट. देयर इज नो होप. अगेन शायद जाके आगे जाके H2 में देयर कुड बी लिटिल इंप्रूवमेंट, बट एज ऑफ नाउ एब्सोल्युटली पॉइजन. आई वुड कंप्लीटली अवॉइड आयन एक्सचेंज. Sirma SGS decent to poison. I would say one of the, at least in this list, अगर मैं, even the first video that I did, right, उसमें हमने 5 कंपनी एनालाइज किया. compared to that and this 5 + 3 8 companies, if you see, I think the best out of the lot is Sirca Paints, right? So that's that with this entire video. I will see you another video. In the next video we will talk about Dixon and Keynes.